Hey, do you see the birds in the trees? Today we watched birds through our binoculars. I see some birds in the tree. Let's see how many birds are on the first branch. How many birds do you see? 1, 2. That's right. Let's track that 2. 2 tells us how many birds are on this branch. We're going to go uphill a little bit, curve around, ready, down the slide. Whee! And then slide to the right. Good job. How many birds are on the next branch? Hey, you guys. Good counting. 1, 2, 3. You're right. Let's track that 3. So start at the top, curve around, and curve around again. Good job. How many birds are on this branch? Hey, Blue Table, will you count the birds on this branch for Mrs. Reagan? Nice work. You're correct. There are 4 birds on that branch. Let's track that 4. Start at the top, pull down, slide across, and pull straight down. Excellent. All right. Hey, Red Table, count how many birds are on the last branch. Yes, you did. Say the numeral out loud. Correct, 5. Good job. All right, let's track that 5. Start at the top, pull down. You're going to curve around, lift, come back up, and put on the hat. That is so awesome.